viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to discuss about also Coinbase wallet, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can create multiple addresses. Yes, we have already discussed about how we can create a multiple wallets, but today we are going to create a multiple addresses in one or base account. Okay, so please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative. But before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So if I am going to check a video portion of my YouTube channel, so we have already discussed how we can create multiple accounts or wallet. Just a minute. Import, change wallet, how to connect, import private key, Coinbase, public wallet addresses. I think I had made a video. Yes, you can see here how to create a multi-Bitcoin wallet in Coinbase account. So this video is also very helpful for you if you are going to create a multiple wallet with every wallet have separate seed phrases. But today we are going to create a multiple addresses under one account, under our base account. Okay, so please must watch. So you can see here at the right top corner, a Coinbase wallet is installed in my browser extension. I just simply going to click on it, and then the icon of my extension of account open. Simple going to enter my password and simple click on unlock. Now going to click on assets option, and you can see here viewers, we have opened our Coinbase wallet, and this time I have using two addresses. Okay, you can see here there's two addresses, first and second. And let's suppose you want to create a multiple addresses under one account, so you can use same scenario like a create a multiple wallets. You can see here this option is available here, add and manage wallets. I just simply click on it. When you click on it, so you can see here the wallet number, wallet address number 1, address number 2, and you can also see here the private key. Means this wallet I have imported with private key, so I leave this. We are going to discuss only our base account, and I have created two wallet addresses. If I need to create a multiple wallet addresses, so I will use this option, add addresses. Simple, you just click on add addresses, and you can see each address included a unique Ethereum and Solana addresses that belong to your wallet. You can add up to 15 per wallet. You can import them into other crypto wallets too. I think you are clearly read the question, and just simple click on continue button. Now you can see here we have create third number wallet, and if you are going to check all addresses, so you will see all addresses different from others. Like if I'm going to click on this wallet number 2 and click on receive button, and you can see here 5D 0x Ethereum. If I'm going to click on 3 number wallet, and you can see here the address is changed 0x B1. Means if you need to create a multiple wallet addresses, you can use same scenario. I'm going to also create a more wallet, and you can see here how to easy was just simple cross it and click on add manage, continue. Wallet number phone is created. I will add more 2 3 more addresses. simple click on add address, simple click on continue option, and also create a one more account, sorry, one more address, not account. Now as you can see here, I have create almost 3 addresses, and this time you can see here there is shown 5 addresses. You can create a multiple addresses on under one account, means limit is 15 addresses per account. And if you need to create more account, means more addresses, then you can create a new wallet account. So I already told you about new wallet account. How can you create a new wallet account? Simple click on it and add and manage wallet, and there is option available. Sorry, the 6 number is shown. I'm going to check the option. You can see here create a new wallet and create, then you can create a new wallet, not a create a new address. Okay, if you need to create a address under one account, so you can use this scenario which is I told you on this video. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you create a multiple addresses in under one account. This is very helpful for you if you want to save your account from others, like if you need to uh, save your amount other accounts and nobody judge your account balance or nobody see your transactions, so we'll use multiple addresses, like let's suppose you have a $1,000, you just simple $200 deposit one address, 200 other, and 203 number, and 204 number, and 205 number. So if anybody going to check your address number one, so only your 200 balance will be shown in front of this, and not shown other balance, so you can save your privacy of your balance from others. So well, I hope you understand. So if you get any information from this video, so you can subscribe my channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And please also share this video with your family friends, and also share in WhatsApp groups, Facebook pages, because I make video for you very hardly, and I want to get motivation from your side. So if you not share my video, then I will not buck up, and I will also make more videos about new cryptocurrency wallets in coming my videos. And also share your all information in my comments, like if you face problem like deposit, withdrawal, find private key, or find the backup phrases, so you must comments below this video. I will read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. Okay viewers, so viewers, meet with you in new video. Bye bye.